So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install an SSD drive into your PlayStation 5. Now, the first thing we need to do is we want to locate the PlayStation logo, and then you want to flip over the PlayStation. So once we flip it over, you will now be on this side. Now, this side is where the disk drive is. So what we need to do is we want to remove the plate for the PS5. So you want to go to the bottom right hand corner here, you want to lift it, and then you want to slide to the left, just like this. So lift and slide. That will then take off the back plate, and here is where you can now locate your SSD drive, which is around here. And then what you can now do is you can simply take this off. So once we remove the screw for the SSD drive, you will simply be able to lift this up here. And as you can see, you will then be able to slot your SSD into there. And then all you simply to do is undo this screw here. So there's a little screw, and here is where you will screw your SSD. Once you enter it in, just screw the SSD in using this screw here. You can then put the plate back on, like so. And then once you enter the plate back on, just simply put this back in, and then you can then reapply the back plate on your PS5, and then you're good to go to store more games on your PlayStation.